Alright, this video lesson 3 is to talk about the formations of negative ions. Alright, and formations of negative ions. Right, first you have to know that the metals non-metals, okay, non-metals has a tendency to form negative ions. Okay, right, and negative ions, or we call it anion. Okay, and how they actually form negative ion is, instead of losing the electron, they actually gain the electron. Okay, it gains the electron. So for negative ion, actually you will see the numbers of electrons at the end is more than the numbers of protons, because they gain electrons instead of losing it. Okay, for non-metal that we are talking about here, so we will actually focus on the group 7. Okay, group 7, and one of the elements that we will talk about is fluorine. Okay, which has 9 electrons and 9 electrons. Okay, and another element we'll talk about is from the group 6. Group 6, and group 7. Like this, okay, group 6. Okay, and element we'll talk about is oxygen, which has 8 electrons, and the last element we'll talk about will be from group 5. Okay, and it's nitrogen. They have actually 7 numbers of proton, therefore it has 7 numbers of electron too. Now just like positive ion, element in non-metal that form negative ions has a tendency to form stable noble gas electron configurations. So for 2 7s, right, instead of losing the 7 electron, they gain 1 electron. Okay, so from 7 here it forms 2 8, just like the structures of neon. So from 7 it forms 2 8. Okay, and here for group 6 you will see actually you will gain 2 electrons. Okay, let's go back to fluorine. So we gain 1 electron, you form F negative 1. Alright, and gain 2 electrons for oxygen. So from 2 6 it becomes 2 8. I want you to see from 6 change to 8. So meaning it gains 2 electrons, or receive 2 electrons, and the symbol of the ion is O2 minus. Okay, and last one for nitrogen, 2.5. In order to become like a noble gas structure, 2.8, it has to gain 3 electrons. Okay, so when you gain 3 electrons from 5, it changes to 8. So the symbol will be N3 minus. Okay, and let's take a look at it one by one. For fluorine, okay, it has 9 proton, therefore it has 2.79 electron as well. And when it forms negative, you can see just now it gain 1 electron, so it forms 2.8 F minus. Okay, so gain 1 electron. Now let's look at the drawing, how we are going to draw. Okay, it's the same principle. First you draw the neutral one first. So this is fluorine. So how many layers we have here? 1, 2, 2 layers. Right, 1, 2. Okay, and then the electron, you can just put it. First layer have 2 electrons. In the second layer we have 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so when it form electron, okay, that's what you have to know. When it form electron, okay, it actually gain one electron, right? So when you gain one electron, it become F minus. So you draw the bracket first, okay, and draw minus, okay, minus 1 and 2.8. Now let's draw the circle first. This is F, fluorine. There's no change in terms of numbers of layer, still remain as 2 layer. Okay, so now then you draw the original electron, meaning originally it has 2, 7, right? So we have 2 here, okay, because originally it has 2, 7, 2, 7. So here you draw the 2, 7, 2 here, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, what about the number 8, the one that it gained? Okay, so in order to differentiate, this electron is gain is from someone, actually another atom donate to fluorine. So in order to differentiate, we use cross. Alright, so these are the electron gain, 1 electron gain. The rest of the dot, 7 dot outside at the valence electron, it's originally from fluorine. So this is gained from another atom. Another atom actually donate this electron to fluorine. So you cannot put dot, so you have to put cross. Now this diagram is called dot and cross diagram. Now take note, this term in exam, sometimes the examiner will ask you to draw dot and cross diagram for an ion. Okay, and this is what we mean by dot and crossed. And as you can see also, it only involve the change of electron in the valence outermost layer, valence electron. So we have 7 valence electron here, valence electron. So at the end we have 8 valence electron. So there's no change in terms of the innermost layer. This here no change, still 2, still 2. The change is happen at the valence electron. Let's look at probably another group 6. Group 6, oxygen. Oxygen has 8 proton, therefore is 2, 6. Okay, and gain 2 electron. Look at the valence electron here, it gains 2. So okay, I change the color first. Right, oxygen, so 8, 2.6, so it gains 2 electron, so it become O, 2 minus, and 2.8. Right, so as you can see, the only that is changed is the valence electron. You see this is a valence electron, gain 2 electron, change. Right, let's look at the drawing itself. Okay, the drawing, you can start from the oxygen. How many layers we are talking about? 1, 2. So again, it's 2 layers. 1, 2. So let's change the color for electron. So this is 2 electron at the first layer, and then 6 electron at the outermost layer. 2, 4, 6. So when it gain electron, 2 electron, so it will become different. It will become like that. Okay, again 2 electron, 2 electron. So remember, we still draw the bracket. So this is neutral, okay, and this is the ion. And you gain 2 electron, it become 2 negative. And let's draw the circle. How many layers are we talking about? Still 2 layers, no change in terms of numbers of layers. Oxygen here, and 1 and 2. But there's a change in terms of the numbers of electrons. Let's take a look at electron. First layer still no change. This one always no change. Okay, look at the valence electron. From 6 here to 2, 4, 6 neutral, now become 8. So let's draw the original electron that he has. 2, 4, 6. Okay, remember it gains 2 electrons. So cross here, pair up the electron. So you can see there are 2 electrons represented by cross. It gains. Okay, and this is the structure of dot and cross, dot and cross. Okay, for ion oxygen 2 minus. Okay, right. The last one is aluminium. Let's take a look at the aluminium. Aluminium, actually we have 13. Not aluminium. Sorry. So we have nitrogen. We have 7 protons. So 2.5. So it gained become 2.8. So this is aluminium. Sorry, not aluminium. Nitrogen 3 minus. Okay, because it gains this is a valence electron, so it gains 3 electrons in order to become the stable configuration like noble gas. And this is the drawing. Let's start with the drawing. This is nitrogen, and then how many layers we're talking about? 2 layers. So draw 2. So let's draw the electron. First layer no change, still 2. And here second layer we have 5. 2. Okay, and 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so when it becomes an electron, it becomes an ion. It gains 3 electrons. 3 electrons, because this is 2.5 here, so it has tendency to become 2.8. So remember, only involve valence electron. So again, for the ion, we always start from the bracket and draw the charge. 3 negative and nitrogen here. So how many layers we're talking about here? 1, 2. So you just do 2 layers. Okay, and then first draw the original electron first. So you put the original electron, which is 2, 5. They have 2 here, and then you have 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2, 5. This is the original they have, and now put in the cross for the 3 electron that you gain. 1. Pair up the electron. You can see I pair up the electron. So 3. So this is the dot and cross for nitrogen. Alright, that's all for this lesson.